Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So, for a concerned homeowner, what signs could they find that might indicate that there's an issue with their Polyb in-floor heating?
Whew, that's a good one. You can tell you're back on your game again with these ones. Okay, so it's really hard to do a visual test on polybutylene, especially in an in-floor heating system because a lot of stuff is hidden in walls, ceilings, floors. But a biggest one is on your boiler system, you should have a pressure gauge that will tell you how many PSI your system's at. Always monitor it. I would put a line on your gauge so you can watch where it's at. Best is if you have a closed loop system, which means that it's just one loop only for your in-floor heating. It's the same water or same glycol in that. You would know the pressure should stay constant at all times. If it ever drops, that would indicate there's an issue or a leak in your in-floor heating system.
Awesome. Good to know.
Yeah, the more you know, hey?
Yeah.